Very good.
I am also recording this, sir, in case anybody else needs it. So,
Oh, okay, right.
right, sir.
You got it, no?
Yeah, I got it. I can see it. You click on the edit button of topic 1.
Edit button of topic 1.
And either that or forget it. No, not that one.
Okay.
But there are two things that I want to tell you. So I'm just rewinding a bit. Yeah, just
Okay.
above where your cursor is, above it, above. Go up.
About
Go up.
here.
That. Add an activity or resource. Click that.
Okay.
And here you can add file. Can you see that? The last one. Is it a PDF or
Fine.
is it a Word document? Your course outline.
This is a PDF.
Very good. So click
Sorry,
on
this
file.
is, I have both Word as well as PDF.
So it's better to put PDF. Yeah.
So can I put Word?
You can put Word, but what's the point? I mean, anybody can edit it then. PDF means it's
Okay.
non-editable. Huh?
Okay. All right. Then
Yeah,
I will,
but
1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. I will just take it out.
take out from where?
Okay. No, from the folder, I'll bring it to the desktop. Okay, all right. I
No,
can
you
pick it
can
up.
you can go to the folder from here only. Huh?
Okay.
That's why.
Okay.
So click on file.
File, yes.
All right, add a file. There you put a name, course outline. Yeah, there. Click on the box. Yeah. Just
yeah.
write course outline.
Course outline.
Yeah, that's what it is, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is just a description in Moodle. It does not change anything.
Okay.
All right. You can go down if you want description, if you want to put something. Otherwise, that is perfectly fine.
Okay. Marketing 1.
Yeah, that you can put in the name itself. You are there anyway. Everybody is in marketing 1, so it doesn't really matter. But it's always good to say course outline marketing 1. That's fine. Yeah.
Okay. Here only, right?
All right, fine.
Right.
No problem. Go down. All right.
Yeah.
Here you can either drag and drop or you can do a select file.
Oh, okay. Just a minute.
You can always sort it, sir. So
yeah.
There you are. No. There. No.
No, that is not. That is not. There is a marketing file.
Fine. No, just go one down and extreme left. Extreme left. Go down, more left, more left, more left, more left. There. All right. Which one is the PDF?
This one.
All right. Drag it. No, it's not dragging. Go to the go to the symbol. Go to the symbol of PDF. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. You are selecting 2, sir. No, you're selecting 2. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Very good. Now, yeah, go down to that. Very good. Hold it. Go up, go up, go up, and drop. Exactly. All right.
Right.
And save. Save and return to course at the bottom.
Save and return to course. Yes.
There you go.
Okay.
Done?
Done, sir.
All right. Now you want to, how do you want to organize your topics? Do you want it week by week or do you want it subject by subject?
I want week by week, sir.
All right. So you can say week 1 here instead of topic 1. So just next to the 1, there is a pen symbol. Click that.
Okay.
Click that. Now write week 1. Okay, yeah. Space 01. Now press enter. Press enter. Don't press anything else. Press enter. Very good. There you go. All right.
Right.
Now you have a quiz, right?
Yeah.
And that quiz is in a gift format.
GIF format.
All right. Can you open the quiz so that I can have a look at it?
Yeah, please. 1 minute.
All right. So again, go back to.
Yeah, it is on the desktop.
All right. Excellent. All right. Perfect. Just go down.
Are you able to see, sir?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Go down to the last. Just drag the. All right. Perfect. Now do a file save as.
Pardon?
File save as. I'm just verifying something, so that's why.
Oh,
File
okay.
save as.
Yeah.
And it is UTF-8. Fantastic. Okay, just cancel. Cancel everything. Cancel. Yeah. I just wanted to verify that it was file save as, and you can
Okay.
close it. Close it. Put a cross. Click the cross. Yeah. Fantastic. Now go back to Moodle. No. Moodle. Chrome. Excellent. Now go down on the left. Left. Go down. Yeah. And question bank. First, we always create a question bank. Then we
Yeah.
create a quiz.
Yeah.
All right. Now
Mm.
go to categories. You can see categories. No, down. Next. Yeah,
Yeah.
there you are. Okay. Now, do you want to create a category for this set of questions?
Yes, that will be for session 1 only.
Very good. So therefore, go down.
Okay.
Go down. Yeah. And here say session 1 quiz or session 1 question bank, something like that.
Name,
Yeah,
no?
name. So it is a name of a category in which you will put all your questions so that it doesn't
Yeah.
get mixed with other question sets.
Yeah.
Okay, so session
So
1
session 1.
question set. Yeah, something like that, or quiz set or whatever.
Okay.
All right, right. And go down and add category. Fantastic, right? You can see
Yes.
that there is a category there with 0 questions.
Yeah.
All right, import. Next to categories, there is an import. Up there, go up. Yes. Very good. Click on gift format. This you know. Go to general. Okay, instead of default, put category 1, that set 1. Go up. Yeah. Click on that and select session 1 so that it will import into this.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, forget the rest of it. Go down.
Yeah.
And drag your
File.
Yeah, here. So no, don't do this choose thing again. We
Should
go
I
back
cross?
to that same problem. Yeah, please do. Okay, this confuses the X. Yeah, close it. Okay,
Yeah.
open the folder down there. Not here. Leave this. Go to the micro. No. Go down where the Chrome symbol and Zoom symbol and all are there. Yeah, next to it. Yeah, this one folder.
Oh.
Okay, click. Or alt tab. I mean, how did you get that directory?
I have put it in the desktop and
So go to the no. Go to the desktop. Click on the desktop. You see, go up. Fine.
this is it.
Fine. Now go to the question paper. There, it is already highlighted. You can see that. Go up. More. No. Here. There. No, this
No, it
one.
is not here, sir.
Oh,
I have
sorry.
kept it
Okay.
here.
You have kept it down
I
there.
have kept it
This
here.
is
This
yeah,
one.
this one, right? Drag. Yes. Drag. Go drag on Chrome. Very good. And move it up and drop. Very good. And click import. Excellent. Importing 20 questions. Go down. Go down and say continue. Excellent. There. Done. Go down.
Yeah,
Go down. You can see that, right?
yeah.
You can see from the symbol, all of them are an MCQ. You have a problem at the last
Mm.
question.
Yes,
see that?
008
Okay.
is showing.
Right. So click on edit.
Oh,
Click on edit.
click
Next to
on
no.
edit.
Next to
Oh,
it.
here.
No. Go back again to where you see the A08. Now go down again.
Ah, okay.
Go
1
down.
minute.
Go down. Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
The last edit that you see. Now don't click that. Next to it. Yes. Click on that and say edit question. Click on edit question. Yes. Now modify the question name.
According to.
No, not here. The question name. Go up. Can you see question name? Yeah. Where you see the A08. Now go down. Yeah,
This
there.
one.
Huh.
Ah,
That is A008. That O should be 0.
oh, correct.
Backspace 0. Right. Now go down and save. Fully down. Very good. And save. Not that one.
Save or save changes and continue.
Both of them. You can try the first one. Try the first one. Yeah. What this does is you have made the modification, but it is still there for other modification that you want to. Okay. Okay. Go down. Again. Drag it down. Yeah, drag it down. Now click on preview. Yeah. Now you can see how the question looks. All right. Your according spelling is also not correct, sir. In the
Oh,
question.
yes. Yes, yes, yeah. So it has to be corrected.
So
Okay.
close the window, close the window.
Oh,
Close
no,
the
but
window.
where is the mistake, sir? 1 minute.
The mistake is in the question.
Oh, that's all.
See that
This
according.
one.
Huh.
This one.
Huh.
So it will track the spelling mistake also.
No, no, I am showing you the spelling mistake.
That you are showing. But why it was? Oh, that was only for 08 instead of 08.
Oh, that was just the name of that. The reason I asked you to change, I'll tell you what. Close this window. Close this window. No, that is not closed. You did not close it. You minused it. No, not. Yeah, see, there are two windows here. Sir, click on Chrome again. You see the other window has not been closed. Yeah, open that. Now put it and close the X. Yeah, X. No, that you have made it bigger. X. Not minus. Not that. No, not minus. Not that. Last one. X.
Oh. X.
Right. Very good. Now go up on this page. Further up, further up, further up. And yeah, the question text, modify the spelling of according. Go down. Go down. No. Go down. Scroll down. There. According. That has to be modified. All right. Now drag down to the bottom and save. Save changes. Yeah. Fantastic. Now if you look at it, Go down and see the questions. Drag down. Yeah. Now A008 has come in the right place.
Correct.
Go up. Earlier A008 was seen on the
Was it
bottom
in like-
because it was
because
AO.
of AO.
Yeah.
AO 08.
Right. So you would
So
have had
now
a bit
this
of a
is-
problem. Now it is perfect. All right.
Mm,
So now your
Yeah.
first question set is ready.
Yeah.
Okay. Now drag up.
Yeah. Drag up.
Yeah. And use the breadcrumbs to go to
Okay.
2021 marketing management. No, go up. Yeah. Just down. No. Don't drag up and down. Go up again. Right. Breadcrumbs is what you see. Dashboard, my courses. You see that?
This one, no?
So click on
Yeah,
marketing
this is
management.
breadcrumb.
Click on marketing management. Yeah. That will take you to the top of your course. All right. Very good. Now
Hmm.
add an activity in week 01.
Activity in.
Do you see week 01?
Yeah, here.
Right.
Here,
On the
here.
right side is edit. Not that one. The extreme right. Yeah. Under that, there is an add an activity or resource. Now don't do anything there. Don't do anything there.
Okay. Okay.
Click outside. Yeah. Below that, there is an add an activity or resource. That one.
Quiz.
All right. Now add a quiz. Very good.
Hmm.
Are you taking for all sections or only one?
No, only one section, sir. Section A.
Have you added them?
No.
Okay, fine. We have to do that also. All right.
Okay.
Give the name of the quiz. Call it quiz 1 or
Quiz
call it
1.
whatever. Quiz 01 is
Quiz.
very nice.
Quiz
Space
001.
Ore Baba, you are going to give 999 quizzes.
Oh,
is it?
okay. No. 01 is enough. Then.
Yes.
Good quiz 01 is enough. Then
All right. Now in
MM1.
description. Yeah. No, you
MM1
don't even
should I
have
write?
No, sir. It is all part
Okay.
of it. No, wait. It is good idea to do that because when people see it on the dashboard, they would get confused with any other subject. Are you
Section A
understanding?
should I write?
Sir, I'll tell you what to do. Go to the head of quiz 1. Go to before Q.
Before.
No. Where you are is the same name.
Okay.
Go
yeah.
to before Q. Right there, MM1.
Sorry.
Space section A.
MM1.
Space section A.
Section A.
Yeah. Because that's your section, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Space. What did you do?
Oh. No, it's
That's
okay.
okay. That's okay. No, after A, you have to give a space.
Yes.
Perfect. Now go to description. Okay. Here you write how many questions, how much time, how many marks.
Oh, okay. 20 questions.
Write 20 MCQs.
20 MCQ.
Right. Enter.
Questions.
Q has questions in it. Okay.
20 MCQ questions.
20 marks,
10
20
marks.
minutes. Okay, 10.
10.
10. Are you going to ask 10
Yeah.
questions or?
20 questions.
But half mark each.
Half mark each.
All right. Okay. And how many minutes?
10 marks, and first time I am giving 15 minutes. I will give them.
Okay.
This is the first quiz, so
Yeah.
I'll give them 15 minutes.
They'll still finish in 5.
Hopefully.
Array, sir, they do random shit. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Go down now. Timing.
7.
No, sir. You have to finish the rest of it.
Oh, there are other things. Okay.
So
Timing is there.
timing.
Yes, very important. So open
Enable,
the quiz
enable.
on
Enable. Both. Enable both. Both. That also.
both.
Right. Now, when do you want to do it?
Then
No, August
that
is fine.
on August
Sir, August is fine. Don't do anything. Good.
17th,
That is Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
August. Okay. Then this is time, no, sir?
Yes, sir.
So 12, 25, 12:25.
This is in the middle of your class, is it?
At the end of the class,
Okay.
I will understand how much they have grasped
All right, sir.
during the class,
Hmm.
how much attention, because most of the questions are from the session and
All
from
right.
the preview that I have. I'm going to send them tomorrow some material, some video they have to watch, marketing
sir.
video.
Okay.
So some of all that.
Okay. 12:25.
So 12:25.
All right.
So
Okay.
this, so
17th. Very good.
17.
And that is fine. That is fine. Yeah.
This is 12. So 25 plus 15, 40.
Yeah. Give it till
No, sorry.
45
45.
because that's when the class ends anyway. So in case somebody is delayed, they can take care of that. Very
45.
good.
Okay.
Now then time limit, change that to 15
15.
minutes. Click on 15. Click on 30. Don't leave that. Yeah. Backspace 15. Very good. This is fine. Now go down.
When time expires, this is required, sir.
This
When
is
time
perfect.
expires.
This is perfectly okay. Basically, it means that if
Okay.
people are not able to finish, it will still be submitted. Okay, go to grade.
Okay.
Go to grade.
Hmm.
No, forget grade. You don't have anything there. Layout.
Hmm.
Okay, new page after every question. That is fine. Sequential is fine. Okay. Now go to review. Go to question behavior. Let's see that. Let's see everything. Yeah. Question behavior. Okay. No
Shuffle.
problems. No. Shuffle within
No?
questions. Yeah. If you want to
Yeah,
shuffle the ABCD option, then press yes.
not necessary.
So leave it, sir. Don't make it too complex.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Review options. No, that's fine. Yeah. Go down. And it is fine. After the quiz is over, they will see their marks.
It is there.
Go up there.
That's all.
Wait. You want to hide it or you want to show it right now?
Which one?
The quiz.
No, quiz they will not be able to see, no?
They will not see the question. They can't run it, but they will see that there is a
But
quiz.
they can see that. They
that's
can
fine.
see that.
Then
No.
save. Just 1 second, sir. Please hold on.
Let them be mentally prepared.
Yes, sir. Just hold on, sir. 15, 20 minutes. So he should wait. Until we find time to pick up. रुक जाओ 15 मिनट चलता हूँ. All right, sorry, sir. Okay.
No.
Go down and save.
Save.
Yeah. Save and return to course.
Yeah.
All right. Now click on the quiz. You have just set up
Or
the
what?
quiz, but you have not added the questions.
Okay.
Okay, so click on the quiz. Left side.
On the quiz.
No,
Left
left
side
side.
down.
No, sir. Go up again. You see the quiz, na? MM1 section A quiz 1. Go up. Yeah, click that. Click the quiz.
Okay.
All right. Now go down. Edit quiz. See, it says no questions have been added, so you have to now edit the quiz. All right. Now you have to add the questions.
Okay.
All right. So click on add on the right side. Yeah. A random question. Very good.
Random question.
Yes. Now here you click on go up, go up, go up. Yeah. Click there. No, click on default that place. Yes. And select session 1.
This
Yeah,
one.
this one. Right? And number of questions is 20.
Yeah.
So make that 20. Instead of 1, make it 20. All right. Stop. Stop. I'm just explaining to you. You have picked up from a question set 20 questions. Okay, randomly.
Yeah.
All right. So this is what this means.
Should we write here click add random question?
Yes, you will, but wait. You have to first understand what you have done, huh? So that next time you can do it.
Okay.
So I'm just explaining to you. You select the right category where all your questions are. And from there, you select how many questions you want to pick up. All right. So in this case, you had 20 questions and you are picking up all 20 questions.
Correct.
Okay. It is possible that you could have picked up 10 questions from these 20. Then randomly 10 questions out of these 20 would be administered.
Okay, I understood now.
All right.
Number of random questions. So
Very
20
good.
out of 20.
Right. Now add random question. Click on the add. There you go. All right. Now 20 questions, you can see the maximum grade. No, go up. That's fine. This is 20 of them. All right. Now, if you look at everything on the screen, yeah, this one, you leave it at 10 because you wanted marks out of 10. Right? So, although there are 20 questions, total is 20 marks. Okay. When you take the printout, you will get it out of 10.
Oh, okay.
Have you got that?
Okay.
Where sometimes you might have 100
because maximum
questions.
grade is 10. So
Yes.
it will convert.
It will convert. Okay.
Good.
Otherwise, theoretically, you should write 0.5, 0.5 in every question, which is very painful.
Oh, okay.
Okay, because if you have 100 questions and you want it for 10 marks total, then you'll have to write 0.0, 0.1 100 times.
0.1, 0.1. Okay, understood.
All right. So that is all fine. Click on that save on the top next to 10.
Yeah.
All right. And you are done. Now come down. Scroll down. No, scroll down. Now go up a bit. Okay, go up a bit. A bit more. Stop. Now, no, stop. Go scroll down a bit. See the left hand side where you see the administration. Na? Can you see the administration? Right. Now I want you to understand this. See at the bottom you see there is course administration. Now on the left hand side, go to the left side.
Administration.
Left side, sir. Okay. If you click on the course administration, you can change things inside the course.
Okay.
Click on it. Okay, now you can see who are the users, your report, all
Hmm.
that stuff you can do. All right.
Correct.
Now above that,
Hmm.
above the course administration, go up a bit slightly.
Hmm.
Okay, all this is quiz administration.
Hmm.
Now, sir, scroll up a bit. Yeah. This is quiz.
Hmm.
Okay, so this
Hmm.
is where
Quiz
you
exam. Hmm.
change everything and you edited the quiz. Now,
Hmm.
under edit quiz, see something called preview.
Hmm.
Now, click on preview. Now you are going to
Hmm.
see how the quiz is going to look
For the students.
for the student. Now, click on start attempt. You should always do that just in case some error has happened, then you will be able to see.
Okay.
Okay, now remember this was
Okay.
question number 8,
Hmm.
right? It was A008. Now that has become question number
Correct.
1. So you can see randomly it is
One.
happening.
Okay. Okay.
All right, very good. Now go to the breadcrumbs. Up.
1 minute.
Yeah, you're there. You're there.
Yeah.
Okay, click on dashboard. Click on dashboard. First one, first thing. Yeah.
Hmm.
Now, if you look at it, see down there upcoming events. Can you see that?
Hmm.
In the middle. In the middle, not there. In the middle panel. Middle panel, sir. Can you see below
Panel.
upcoming events?
Upcoming event.
Now,
Yeah.
now can you see there MM1, section A, etc. This is what the student will see.
Correct.
So if there are a lot of quiz 01s, the student can
Hmm.
get confused which one is the marketing quiz.
Okay.
So that is why it is always good to give the name of the quiz, what you call subject,
Hmm.
okay, etc.
Hmm.
So students know that this is mine.
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
All right.
Otherwise, they can enter, isn't it?
Sir, they will see it now also. But when they try to enter it,
Okay.
it will tell you the time is not now.
Oh, time is not now. Okay, right. I agree.
All right. I will also show you that. Go to top left hand and top right hand corner where your Professor Jairam Shetty is there. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Go more
Yeah.
up, more up, more up, more up. Now there is a down arrow there.
Yeah.
Click on that down arrow. Yes.
Hmm.
Now here, so you can't do that. Okay, forget this. This you can't see. I'll have to do something about it. All right. Now I have to add the students. You still have to add the students. Okay. So click on marketing management 1 on the left hand side. Go to the left panel, navigation dashboard panel. Okay. Click on marketing management 1. All right. Go down on the left hand side. And go to users. Go up there. Once more, click. One click. Very good. Now go to enrollment methods. All right. Here in add methods, go down, more down, more down. Yes, add method where it says choose. Click on the choose. Cohort sync. Exactly. Wait there. Leave that. Okay, go down and in search, in the first search.
Yes, sir.
Can you see the search?
First.
Can you see cohort?
Sorry. Yeah.
Can you see cohort? Okay. Go to the right hand side of that. No selection. Can you see no selection? Under that, there is the search. Click on the search. Right. Now, okay, type in the search 2021. Type inside the search 2021 dash
20
21
Ah.
dash
dash
23
mm,
space
mm,
section S, capital S.
capital
S for section,
for the S.
S for
Okay.
Singapore. Yeah.
Okay.
Nothing. Okay, nothing is coming. Backspace once. Okay. Now go down and check all the options that are there available. Scroll down. Yeah. There. Trimester 1 and 2, section A. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Go down. No, not that one. Not that one. That. No. Above. That. Click that. Click it. All right. And say add method. Okay, please understand what I am doing. I am adding all the students which are there in section A to your course
Okay.
automatically. All right. So tomorrow, if I move any
Right.
student to section A, or I remove a student from section A, it will automatically be removed from your course.
Okay. From the cohort, whatever changes you make, it will
Exactly.
reflect here.
It will sync with this. Okay. Now click on add method, the blue button. Down. Yeah. There you see 44 students have already been added. Now move the cursor to the left panel, to the navigation panel. Now go down. You see participants. Go down. No, don't go up. No, that's too much.
1 minute.
Yeah. There, I can see participants. See the participants on the left-hand side.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
Click that. Okay, just wait. There. Now go down. Just scroll down.
Same panel left.
Just scroll down.
Yeah.
And you can see all the students there.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Now all your students are enrolled into your course, and they can see course outline, and they can see that there is a quiz on Tuesday.
Okay.
All right. But they can't do it.
Right, sir. Yeah.
Done?
Yeah.
Done?
So this enroll users, nothing is to be done here.
No, sir. It is already enrolled. If you want more
Already
users,
done.
If you want to enroll more users manually, you can use that.
Then you. Oh, okay.
Okay, but right now I have given you a shortcut of completely adding all 45 in one shot, 44, because you are also
Yeah,
here.
that's right. Correct. 45.
44.
Including me.
So
44.
your role is student, your role is teacher.
Yeah.
Okay, and all the
Teacher.
others roles are students. All right.
Right, sir.
All right. So now you can log off or come out of Zoom or whatever.
Okay.
Okay,
Right,
I'll
sir.
stop recording.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank
I
you.
will share the recording somewhere, so in case you need to see
Yeah,
it
if you
again.
don't mind, if you can, because today it went on very smoothly without any break in between.
Right,
so I think I can use it, and at least next time I can make sure that I will be able to do it myself.
Right, sir.
So
And with your
kindly share
permission, with your permission, I will also put it on YouTube. Okay, so that
okay.
other
No
teachers
problem.
can also see.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
Yeah, because there are
Right.
some new teachers there. Okay, so they might
Okay.
want to know how
No
to do it.
problem. No.
You're okay with
Okay,
that?
no problem.
All right.
Yeah, no problem. Okay.
Right, sir.
Right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.